Hello, this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're gonna have a look at how to calculate the mean, median and mode in Google Sheets. Let's first have a look at the three definitions and then let's get right into it. Alright, the mean. The mean is also referred to as the average. So it's the average number in, let's say, test results. I have an example here with students and exams, and we want to know what the average score is in this exam. The median, on the other hand, is known as the middlemost value in a data set. So let's see who has the middlemost value and what it is. So the exam score, the max is 100, and you see people scoring from 43 to or 35 even, probably Emma had a bad day, to 100, which is the max score here. And then we have the mode, and this one identifies the most frequent value in a data set. So what's the score that is most frequent in this data set? All right, let's get started with the mean. Important for the mean is that the mean function is not called mean, but average, because mean and average is the same thing. All right, let's start with the equal sign. We always use the equal sign when we start with a formula, and we write mean. Okay, write it in capitals if possible, because this is how you write the functions here. But even if you are not writing it in capitals, it didn't work. Then you open up the brackets, and now I write mean. I said we need to write average because the function is called average here. And as you can see, it already just suggests B9 to a B28. I can just click on it, and after that you see the result. So 86, this is the average score in this result. So everyone has 86 is average in that exam, and everyone above is above average, or below is below average. So Liam with 43 would be below average. All right, let's move on to the median, so the middlemost value. Let's see what that is here. So we write equal sign, I write median, and then I open up the brackets and I show you just a different way. You can just drag and drop. You can just drag and select the values here till the very last one, which is William, and then I close the brackets and I hit enter. And we see that the median value is 66, so that's the middlemost value in this data set. And last but not least, we have the mode. So this is the value that appears the most, or the test result score that appears the most in this data set. For this we write equal sign and then mode, and here I can just also write, of course, the values or the cells that we want to have a look at, the range. I write B9 to B28, is it? Yeah, to B28. I close the brackets and now I hit enter again. And let's see, mode 100. So there's several people with 100. Evelyn has 100, Henry has 100, and Isabella has 100 as well. So there's 3 times 100, and that makes it the most frequent value in this data set. Well done to these 3. All right, this is the end of the tutorial. This is how to calculate the mean, median and mode in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, please give it a like, follow our channel, and also hit the notification bell. With that, you will always be notified when new videos come out. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again soon. Goodbye. Bye bye.